What is going on, everybody? I'm just back at you here with another quick video. I got something new today in the mail. This is outerwears filter type of deal for my Revo. It's a pretty straightforward install, but I just wanted to help keep out some of the dust and all that. These are something I used to use for my air filters on my four-wheelers. So I saw this brand make this for this, and I figured I'd throw that on there because some of the places I've been going bashing, a lot of little rocks and stuff get in there, and something got in my little drive shaft area. So I figured I'd just cover it up and give myself some protection. So I'm going to open this up. This should go on real simple. Let's see, I got some stickers. Whoop-de-doo. And here is the piece. So hopefully, here it is. It comes with, whoa, a generous thing of Velcro here. So this is just going to be some sticky on one side. Probably just put it on the chassis like so in these corners. And then you just slide this over it. So let's see how this is gonna go. This is for the antenna, so well, the antenna must be on the other side on the other one, because this is for the brushless one. No, it does go like that, my bad. So put that there. Okay, and you can see you just put your Velcro on like so, and I'll just be able to pull it up to get to my battery trace. So I'm going to go ahead and install all this Velcro, and I will show you guys what it looks like. So I stole some of the wife's little face cleaner things, and I'm just going to clean the area with alcohol first, where I'm going to stick the Velcro, just to make sure, because my chassis is a little bit dirty. Soak that a little bit. My workbench is a mess. And I'm just gonna clean the surfaces here. Clean out some more stuff while I'm at it. Just throw these away. Okay, I'm gonna get this all done, and then it will be on. Alright, there it is. All on. I didn't go too crazy with the Velcro. I still got quite a bit left. I put a little strip here on the battery tray, and then across here. It seems like if you pull it tight, you could go underneath a little, but I'm not too concerned about that. It is on there. Don't think it's going to go anywhere. It's just there to get dirty. So I just have it on there for some protection, but if you're very anal about it, you could probably pull it really tight and get it to go underneath the battery trays a little bit. There's a little bump right here. You could probably put the Velcro in. I'm not 100% sure. But for me, it's going to do what I want. I didn't use all of it. I'll still have a big chunk left if I wanted to go ahead and remove it and put more on, but I'm just concerned about dust and little bits of rock getting in there. And this will actually hold my cables in, so a lot of times they come back outside the body here, which I don't like. So that is the outerwears pre-filter. I just thought that it was a good little thing to put on here to keep out all the dust. I do want to protect my Revo as much as I can. It was pricey. I think it was like 41 bucks, but for me, you know, a little protection is always worth it in the long run. So yeah, that is going to be it for the video, guys. I just wanted to show that real quick. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications to let you guys know when I post new videos.